Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we have another unboxing, and this one is coming from Merkur. Anyway, I've suggested their watches in the past on my channel in a few top 10 AliExpress sale videos, and also I own one of their watches. It is the GMT. I'll put a link in the description box to their website if you want to check it out. They reached out to me a few weeks ago asking if I want to have a look at one of their watches, and I think in here should be one of the field military style Dirty Dozen dial style. I know there's a lot of watches that I just mentioned there, but I'm not sure which one it is. I'm just going to say field military style watches, and it should be one of their mechanical variants. Now again, I think they sell these in 3 styles, and I'm not sure which one it is, but nevertheless we're going to take a look at it today. I've been a big fan of Merkur because they do really good quality watches in terms of finishing, and they always kind of go that extra mile, and kind of like Seizenn, and they always kind of look to homage something that hasn't been done before. But anyway, this is a sponsored video, and they sent in the watch for free. I don't have to return it for the purpose of this review, so keep that in mind as the video goes along. This is actually an unboxing. Subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss the full review, which is coming out in the next few weeks or so. Now this is not a very sharp knife, so I'm probably going to either stab myself, or I'm probably going to rip the box. Nope, we're going to put that away because that's not working, and we're just going to go in the old-fashioned way. Which is by hand. Okay, perfect. So a box within the box. Like I have to say, the GMT one that I have from them, I have not reviewed that, and I have this. I have that for a very long time now. But oh yeah. And even that one comes in a very similar plastic carbon style finishing case, which is very nice because you can get another watch to store in here. And it's actually, I think this is under $100 if it's that one. So let's take a look. It's actually a very good quality case. I'm surprised for the money. Oh yeah, so it is that one. So I think this is the Dirty Dozen variant. Let's put that aside for a second. You get a very thick book with the instructions in a few languages, and also, as a matter of fact, they actually do have their models in here. Quite nice. Not that I wouldn't expect their models. Oh, this is new. Watch Group International Warranty. It is not signed anyway, so still a nice gesture, but not signed. It's something different that I haven't seen from other brands, and a branded cloth, which again we'll never use. So let's put that aside, and let's take a look at this beauty. Very nice. Oh yeah, and this opens up so nice. Merkur Watch Group. That is also branded. Again, very nice. I haven't seen this kind of attention to detail. I know the watch doesn't cost that much, but to have this, it doesn't cost a lot, but like small details like this make a huge difference. I quite like that, and it was very easy to peel off, by the way. So keep that in mind. Also on the back, this should be a hand wind. Yep, you can hear it turn. Mechanical movement. I'm not sure off the top of my head what the movement in this is, but this is actually such a cute little watch. Now, what time is it? That doesn't matter, but this turns. You have a quick release spring bars there. This is actually quite nice. Oh, no clutch. I think I've reached the end. Let me just, that's not screwed down, but you don't need it. Running seconds hand at the 6 there. Very nice. Beautiful finishing. Honestly, beautiful finishing. This on the website is around $80 or so. You have drilled lugs, so you can swap straps really easy. And what they usually do, they make really good, that is a domed, I think that's a sapphire crystal if I'm not mistaken. Box dome sapphire crystal, no, it's actually just domed. Very nice, and they do really, like Merkur do really good lume. I'll get more information on the movement here, but this actually looks very similar to my feel to my Hamiltons, but still beautiful finishing. Now let me try this on, just in case. I am wearing my Saint Martin vintage Tudor Submariner homage, so I'll put a link in the description box if you want to check that video out, the review that's been out. Now let's see how that looks on my wrist. I love the strap as well, and since this watch doesn't cost a lot and it is what it is, you can wear this as a daily watch and not care. I'm not sure if this has any kind of stated water resistance, but that looks absolutely beautiful, honestly. You can't do much better than this for under $80, for under $100. This is such a good watch. Now let me see, doesn't say on the back, it just says WW59823. I'm not sure what that actually means at the moment. Let's peel that off. It doesn't say anything about the stated water resistance or anything, but yeah guys, so there you go, that was it. Really quick unboxing there for the Merkur WW World War II Dirty Dozen style military watch. It's not a dirty dozen. Stick around if you don't want to miss the review for this bad boy. Subscribe to the channel. This will be coming out in the next few weeks, hopefully. I'll get that out and I'll get it sorted, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.